Software Introduction. After opening the aluminum software, the interface will appear as follows. To begin, let's add a DXF or AI file. Here, you can observe the file display area. These two options are for navigating to the previous step and the next step, respectively. After clicking here, you can check the bending direction for your file. By clicking on these two options, you can change the bending direction according to the channel letters requirements. To add nodes, you can simply click here. And to delete nodes, you can click here. After double right-clicking in the file display area, the nodes will be deleted. By clicking here, you will be able to fit your file within the display area. How to select materials? Move the cursor to the upper right corner of the software interface and select the appropriate material for bending, based on what you will be using. In this section, you have the ability to bring the parts to the 0 position. This means that you can align the feeding, slotting, and material to their initial starting position. To bring the materials to initial starting position, click on the button labeled specifically for this purpose. To bring the bending system to the 0 position, click here. To move the pressing plate back to its initial starting point, click on the Lift Reset button. To bring the slotting milling cutter back to its initial point, click on the Mill Reset button. To move the material forward, click on the Fast Forward button. To move the material backward, use Fast Backward button. To execute the selected file, click on the Run button. To stop feeding, slotting, and bending materials, use the Stop button. To pause the feeding, slotting, and bending of materials, use the Pause button. To resume the feeding, slotting, and bending of materials after pausing, use the Resume button. How to import files? Machine software can accept both DXF and AI files. To open a DXF file, go to the menu bar, click on File, and select Import DXF file. Then, choose the desired DXF file from your computer to import it into the software. To import an AI file, click on File in the menu bar and select Import AI file. Then, choose the desired AI file from your computer to import it into the software. How to import a file and execute it? Open the software. Select the desired material type for bending. Then reset all parts to their 0 positions. Click on Feed Return, Bend Reset, Lift Reset, and Mill Reset sequentially. To import a file, click on the File option in the menu bar. Select Import DXF file or Import AI file, then browse, and choose the file you want to work with. Once the file is opened, click on the preferred node to select it as the starting point. Then, click Run to begin the bending process.